If you've been struggling with a stubborn gray screen every time you open Google Chrome version 139, this tutorial is for you. Today, I'm going to walk you step by step through 2 proven methods to resolve the gray screen issue, so you can get back to browsing smoothly and confidently. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to do and why, so Chrome works just the way it should. Let's dive straight in with the first method, which involves disabling GPU acceleration using your Chrome shortcut. Now, GPU acceleration is designed to make Chrome run faster by offloading some graphical loads to your computer's graphics card. But sometimes, especially with certain updates or hardware configs, it can cause Chrome to get stuck at a gray screen. So here's how to fix it. Find the shortcut you usually use to open Chrome. This is probably on your desktop or pinned to your taskbar. Go ahead and right-click the shortcut, then click Properties. A window will pop up with several tabs. You want to stay on the Shortcut tab. Look for the field labeled Target. You'll see a long string of text here, which is the path Chrome uses to launch. Now carefully go to the very end of that target field. It's important that you don't delete anything. Just move your cursor to the end, press space once, and then type 2 dashes followed by Disable GPU. So it'll look like this. Disable GPU. This little command tells Chrome to run without using the graphics card, which usually solves the gray screen problem. When you're done, click Apply, then OK. If you get a permissions prompt, just confirm. That's normal. Now, launch Chrome using that shortcut. Don't worry if it looks or feels a bit different at first. You should notice that the gray screen issue is gone. Next, let's look at method 2, tweaking something called the Angle Graphics backend through Chrome's flags. Angle is a technical piece that helps Chrome talk to your graphics system, and sometimes switching how Angle works can resolve display glitches like our stubborn gray screen. So, open up Chrome and start a new tab. Type Chrome/flags in the address bar, just like that, no spaces, and hit Enter. This opens up Chrome's experimental settings. At the top, there's a search box. Type Angle or choose Angle Graphics Backend. You'll see an option pop up. By default, it may be set to something other than default. Open the drop-down menu, select Default, and that's it. Once you change this, Chrome will ask you to restart by showing a relaunch button at the bottom. Don't skip this step. Click Relaunch, and Chrome will reopen with your new settings. If you're feeling a little nervous about changing Chrome flags, don't worry. It's safe as long as you only change the Angle backend and leave everything else untouched. Once Chrome is launching smoothly and that gray screen is history, there's just one cleanup step. Go back to your Chrome Shortcuts properties, just like you did earlier. In the Target field, remove the Disable GPU part you added in the first method. Hit Apply and OK one more time to save your changes. This restores Chrome's normal launch behavior and makes sure you're not unnecessarily running with reduced graphical features. And that's it. You've fixed the gray screen issue. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if a different trick worked for you. Don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step tech tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching.